This is the day 3 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing 40 plus projects across North Bangalore. Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons. So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey. And today we are scoping Nikoo Homes 5 by Bhartiya City Developers. It sits on a massive 120 acres of land parcel on Thani Sandra Road. The project offers studio 1, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5 and 4 BHK units ranging from 480 to 2,553 square feet of carpet area. It comprises a total of 7,000 units spread across 5 towers, each rising 38 floors high. With a density of 58 units per acre, the project offers 55% open space. Nikoo 5 is marketed as garden living. The whole concept is about blending greenery into everyday life with features like courtyards, sensory gardens, butterfly gardens and boardwalks. As you know, location is everything in real estate. So now let's dive into the connectivity picture. Nikoo Homes 5 sits on an 18-meter approach road on Thani Sandra corridor. Your daily metro commute has options like Nagwara metro station at 6 kilometers. For frequent air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is just 23 kilometers away, which is roughly 40 minutes by road. If you prefer trains, then Thani Sandra railway station is just 3.8 kilometers away with multiple metro alternatives at reasonable distance. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's growing IT and manufacturing corridors with great infrastructure development happening around. Now, what's the legal status actually looking like? So Nikoo Homes 5 has secured 7 out of 7 important legal approvals by RERA. That includes development plan, Khata, height NOC, water NOC among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now here's where your wallet comes into play. Pricing stands at 11,424 rupees per square feet, while Thani Sandra Road's micro market average sits at 10,666 rupees per square feet. Unit prices span from 54.84 lakhs to 2.92 crores. But remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. RERA possession date is scheduled for August 2029. If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for a guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.